All right, folks, so welcome back to White House Farm. We're here at this house today. We're going to go ahead and install a sump pump from our friends at ACQUAER. Once again, Jesse, thank you. This is going to be pretty cool, as usual. Got my little helper here. He's snacking away on a giant chocolate Easter bunny and still has his pajamas on underneath. He just wanted to come help, so how can I say no to that? So, all right. So once again, this is the ACQUAER sump pump, and if you haven't already, go ahead and check out our other videos that we did with ACQUAER. We have pool cover pumps, 18 volt cordless pumps. We have transfer pumps. I'll go ahead and leave links at the end so you go ahead and watch those videos as well. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got in here. All right, so we have our instruction manual, and then let's see here. Ooh, there is the sump pump itself. And just from the weight of this, I mean, this thing's pretty beefy, so I think that's good. It means that it's made with quality parts. So here's a look at the sump pump itself, and as you can see, it is 1/3 horsepower, and it does have, what's that, 10-foot cord, Major? Yep, 10-foot 115 volt cord, so you can plug it into your standard outlets. We have the float, and we have a 1.5 inch MPT here, so we can go ahead and hook our hose up to that, and that'll work as far as pumping it out and everything. And this does have a max head feet of 39 feet, and this is 5.5 amps. Max flow is 3,150 gallons per hour, and that's at 5 feet. So if you got a flooded basement like this house right here, I know that it's on a high water table and there's water still around, just got done raining, so this is going to work out great in here. This sump pump is thermally protected, and it can remove solids up to 3/8 of an inch. It's got a built-in automatic thermal overload protector as well. Now these pumps can also be placed in basins, and or just put right into a sump pump hole depending on what you have. I know in this house here it's just the hole, because there's a sump pump in there right now, but we're going to go ahead and replace that one and get this new one in there, and it's going to make a big improvement. Okay, muscles. All right, so it's definitely nice and stout. So without further ado, you ready to install this thing?
Yep.
Okay, let's get inside and do that. All right, don't fall in the water there, Mage. So here is the old pump here. This is the one we're going to be replacing. Got it? All right. Here, I'll hold it. Here, I'll hold it. You tighten it up. All right, so that's on there nice and tight. So now for our power cord, which is also 10 feet. So pretty simple. We got our adapter on there. We got our 1.5 inch line, and we got it plugged in right up next to those creepy dolls.
Yep.
Okay. So, all right, let's put it in here and see how she does.
Oh, you take that rock out?
Woo! Look at that. That is sucking it right down.
Oh, Dad, actually.
Yeah, look at it all. There we go.
Now, why don't they go bye-bye?
All right, they're not gonna have to worry about water getting in this basement anymore. Look at that. Wow. That is kicking out all that water that was left there.
Dad, we got it.
Yeah. getting rid of all that groundwater that was there. Pretty cool, right, Mage?
Yeah. Let's climb back up.
All right, and see how the bulb came right back up? Yep, and there we go. Kicking that water right out of there. Yeah.
Why are they doing that though?
That's perfect. While he's still snacking on his chocolate bar, you see how easy those are to install? And yeah, there's a 3-year limited warranty on these, and also in the manual you can order parts and stuff for them.
Yeah.
So if you do need a new impeller or anything like that down the road, you go ahead and order them. But other than that, we are all set here. We're out of that basement with those creepy dolls.
Yep.
And once again, I'll leave a link in the description. Go ahead and check them out. ACQUAER, all types of pumps, whatever type of pumps you need. Check out our other videos on them too. So once again, we'd like to say thank you. Yep, enjoy, subscribe,
And see you on the next one.
and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.